After knowing definite integral, we are switching over and trying to learn something new. It's nothing but properties of definite integral. So the first property is like this: a to b f of x dx will be equal to a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x. But condition is c lies between a and b. C lies between a and b. This is the condition. Okay. Now I'm trying to explain how it is to be used, when it is to be used. Now look here. Question is minus 1 to 1 f of x dx when f of x will be equal to 1 minus 2x is less than or equal to 0 whenever this is a condition. That means function changes its nature at 0 and 0 lie in between this. So I should split minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. But what is the minus 1 to 0 means less than 0. Less than 0 I am writing 1 minus 2x. And more than 0 I am writing 2x plus 1. Now you know how to integrate this. What is the integration? X minus x square, upper limit lower limit. Here also it will be x square plus x. Put upper limit lower limit. I am just waiting and simplify. Tell me what is the answer. 4 is the answer. Okay, next. Now at this time, this is also question based on the previous one, but you cannot see why it is so, because this is a modulus function. We have not learned any technique of integrating the mod function, but the graph of the mod x is known to you. This is equated to 0. 5x minus 3 will be equal to 0. X will be equal to 3 by 5. So the graph will be coming like this. So 3 by 5 will be here. On this side generally we are writing it is generally what, and on this side we are writing minus of 5x minus 3. This is known to you. So the nature of the function changes here, but you are integrating from where? 0 to 1. So this is the split, 0 to 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 to 1. Now for 0 to 3 by 5 the expression is this one, can be written as 3 minus 5x, whereas here it will be 5x minus 3. Now you know the integration of this. What is the integration of this? It will be 3x minus 5 as it is. It will be x square by 2. Integration of this, it will be 5 as it is. It will be x square by 2 minus 3x. For this expression the lower limit is 0, upper limit is 3 by 5. For this expression lower limit is 3 by 5, upper limit is 1. Replace that, simplify and get the solution. In the first time it will be replacing here 0 to 0 will be there. Simplify, check whether the answer is coming 13 by 10. So we are talking about this type of question where you are breaking the limit. This is one more expression, 0 to 3, greatest integer. But you know the graph of the greatest integer changes at integral value. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. This is the first step. The graph changes like this. Now you know the value of the function between 0 to 1, the greatest integer function will be 0. So I will write 0. Greatest integer function from 1 to 2 is x. Here it is 1. And for this interval it will be 2. Now this is more simpler question. The integration of this will be anyhow it will be 0 only. This is x, you can write over here. It will be nothing but 2x. Put upper limit and lower limit. Again I am just waiting here. Simplify. The answer of the question is 3. Next. The another property, 0 to a fx dx will be equal to 0 to a f of a minus x. So now we are talking about this type of questions. Let us look at this question, 0 to pi by 2 sin x upon sin x plus cos x dx. What is to be done? Listen here. This x and this function, you have to monitor these two things. So the given integration question can be written as I and number it is as 1. Now everywhere this x to be replaced by what? A minus x. What do you mean by A? A is the upper limit. So here in this question, replace x by pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x. If the upper limit is something else, then you will be changing like that accordingly. So now another I, 0 to pi by 2 sine, this is sine. X will be pi by 2 minus x, this is sine. Pi by 2 minus x plus cos of pi by 2 minus x. You know the property. It can be correct. Cos x, over here cos x, over here sin x. You will be getting another expression. Always, most of the question of this type property, you can add these two expressions. I plus I will be equal to first expression plus second expression. 0 to pi by 2 limit is common. You can take out the limit common. Try to simplify. You will get in the expression sin x plus cos x in the numerator. Denominator is also sin x plus cos x. It will get cancelled. You will be getting 1. So twice I will be equal to 0 to pi by 2, 1. And if you simplify this particular question, the value of I you are getting pi by 4. Value of I you are getting pi by 4. One more question on the same line. Look here. This is the question. 0 to pi by 2, 1 upon 1 plus root tan x. Now this root tan x can be written as root sin x by root cos x. I am shifting root cos x is shifted in the numerator. Over here first you will be getting root cos x, and over here it will be root sin x. This is nothing but your first expression. Now replacing x by upper limit is again in this case pi by 2 minus x. So another integral 0 to pi by 2, this is cos, root cos as it is, x pi by 2 minus x. Here root sin again pi by 2 minus x. This expression written here cos of pi by 2. Now try to simplify this. Root sin x, root cos x, root sin x. Okay, this is nothing but your second. Now again the same procedure, add 1 and 2, add 1 and 2. So if you are adding this cos x, root cos x, if you look at the denominator is same, numerators are different, same. So if you can take LCM of this will be same. So it is you are getting 1. So integration of 1 is x. Simplify again for this question also you will be getting the integration as pi by 4. Now another question. See the next question. The problem is 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x. This is step number 1. Now changing, I think most of the questions we are doing this arrangement only because upper limit so far it is same. If the upper limit changes, then we make the respective changes. Now do you follow? This x is replaced by pi by 2 minus x. If you simplify, it gives you cot x. This is nothing but your second expression. Now first and second to be added. So it will be 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x plus 0 to pi by 2 log of cot x. So it is 2i as it is 0 to pi by 2 log. Log, this rule, log of m into n is nothing but log m plus log n. So this here it is multiplication, tan into cot, but tan into cot is 1 and log of 1 will be 0. So 2i, this is 0, so entire expression will be 0, 2i answer will be 0. Therefore the given question I will be also 0. On the same line, this, look at this question now. Can you tell me what is to be replaced now? Yes, now x to be replaced by pi by 4 minus x because now upper limit is pi by 4. Now 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus this tan as it is, here it will be pi by 4 minus x. Tan a plus b, it will be 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Take the LCM. If you take the LCM, you will get 2 upon 1 plus log tan x. Now, this can be written as 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x. This is your second expression. First expression is over here. Both are nothing but I. Add them. It will be you are getting I plus I 0 to pi by 2 log 2 because this term is going to get cancelled over here. So log 2 is being a constant, it will come outside x pi by 4 0. This is the value of 2 of I, and simplify you will get I will be equal to pi by 8 log 2. So in this video we are going to learn two properties. One is we are breaking the limit and other one is this 0 to a. Whenever limit is 0 to a. Can you tell me what will be the replacement of here? It is correct. X to be replaced by pi minus x. Upper limit is pi. So everywhere 0 to pi minus x over here. This x is pi minus x. 1 plus cos square pi minus x. Now simplify 0 to pi. It will pi minus x as it is. This is nothing but sin x. It will be cos square x. Now adding first expression and the second expression. You know the method. So I am writing like this also. here whenever you are adding, the denominator will be common, so numerator will be added, so it will be pi sin x upon like okay. Now r, pi by 2 outside, pi is coming here, 2 is coming from here, sin x upon 1 plus cos x. What will be the method of this question? What will be the method of this question? 0 to pi is there. Cos x is equal to 2. Method of substitution, 1 plus t square minus dt. 0. Cos 0 is 1 and cos of pi is minus 1. Simplify and see that you will get the answer as pi by 4. You will get the answer as pi by 4. Okay. So this is the method to solve the questions based on properties of integral. 2 properties we have seen in this videos. In next video we are going to see few more properties.